them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl.
Everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share another quick wall decor with you. And these are the items that we'll be using for today's decor. All these glam pieces that you see here. And I will have a list below to where everything come from down in my description box. Just click on the show more, or if your device has a arrow pointing down, click on that and you'll see what these items are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started with today's DIY. Okay, so we have this plank here that I got from my local dollar store, and I have some black paint, so I will be painting this plank all black. And if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome, and I do hope you will consider coming back and seeing more DIYs that I have to share with you.
No one can tell me who to love. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is
Alright everyone, now everything is all dry and painted nice. So I'll be using some of these glam mirror sheets to add to our decor. And they come with a self-adhesive on the back, so it makes it easy to have them stick down to our decor.
tell me that you love me, babe. And now the stuff's so strong. So tell me what's so wrong. I just wanna love you, babe. And I can't get enough of you, babe. Tell them other girls that it's much too late. And it's no surprise, girl, they gon' hate. They gon' hate, If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Cause no one can tell me who to love. No one can tell me who to love. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving
So now that that's all done, our next step is we're going to be adding some of this glam chain that I got here from BeeBeeCraft, my favorite silver chain. I'll be using some E6000 and gluing some strips along the inside of our plank.
Girl, I won't lie. I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, need you. Girl, I won't lie. I need you. I need you now. I need you now. Know that I like. Know that I like. Girl, I won't lie twice. No. I won't lie twice. I know that I lied. I know that I lied, but I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice. I won't lie twice. Do you know you? No, no, I won't lie to you. I won't lie twice, girl. It's all my fault, said it's all my fault. If I didn't lie, you would be here now.
Now that's all done, so on to our next step. Doesn't that look nice? I like how it looks so far. So I'll be using these little mirrored squares that I got from BeeBeeCraft, and they come with a self-adhesive on the back. And aren't they cute? They are so cute. So I'm going to lay them in the pattern that I want, and then I'll take them one by one and stick them down to our decor.
Mistake. Girl, I won't lie. I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, need you. Girl, I won't lie. I need you. I need you now. I need you now. Know that I like. Know that I like. Girl, I won't lie twice. No. I won't lie twice.
And now that everything's all done, I'll just be removing the protective plastic that's over our mirrored pieces.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She's so vibey, she's so vibey.
And here is our finished look.
She's so vibey.
I love how it turned out. Doesn't it look all glam and nice?
I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive, as long as I have it, you by my side.
It was a quick and easy DIY wall decor using our lovely bling items.
You stay on my mind.
I like sharing with you how easy it is to buy a few inexpensive items, put them together, and you have something lovely for your home or for a loved one.
Right now, 'cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing.
So I'd love if you'd leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's mirrored wall decor idea. I love how they turned out, and I made two, as you can see. I do think they look beautiful. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And I do hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's mirrored wall decor. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope I have inspired you with another lovely decor for your home. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
Need you right now, 'cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so